Morning to all my dear first year students, and welcome to Zoology online class. Actually, we were discussing about the animal tissue, and under the animal tissue I had started the connective tissue. I have started the connective tissue, and under the connective tissue, that is connective tissue, I have told you about the characteristics of the connective tissue. Then after, what are the functions of the connective tissue? Then the classification of the connective tissue under the, that is the division of the connective tissue. We have divided, that is the connective tissue, into three parts or into three categories. One is the connective tissue proper, and another is, that is the skeletal connective tissue, and another is the fluid connective tissue. We have, that is, I have told you everything in the previous class. Clear? That is depending upon the nature of the matrix. You know, in the connective tissue, the cells are present widely, and among the cells there are, or a large intercellular space is present, and that intercellular space is filled with, that is a substance that is called as the matrix, or you can that is the intercellular fluid. And here the intercellular fluid is, that is jelly like, that is the jelly like, that is semi fluid. And in case of the skeletal connective tissue, it is the, that is the matrix is rigid or hard. And in fluid connective tissue, the matrix is, that is the fluid like or water like structure. Clear? Then under the, that is the connective tissue proper, I had started, that is the connective tissue proper, and under the connective tissue proper, that is the connective tissue proper. Under the connective tissue proper, we have, or that is we have classified the connective tissue proper into three categories. That is the loose connective tissue, that is the loose connective tissue, and the second one is the dense connective tissue, and the third is the special connective tissue. Clear? And the loose connective tissue, under the loose connective tissue, that is we have, or we had read, that is that is areolar tissue, and that is the adipose tissue. The areolar tissue is the common tissue, which, that is in these two, that is tissue I had described detail in the previous class. So let me repeat briefly, that is the areolar connective tissue is the common and widely distributed tissue which is present at every part of the body because it behaves as mostly the packing materials. Clear? And here the matrix is jelly-like and it contains mainly three types of fibers. One is white fibers, white collagen fibers, which is non-elastic, and another is yellow elastic fiber, which is elastic or stretchable in nature, and another is reticulate fibers, which forms net-like structure inside the matrix. Clear? Besides, it contains so many cells. These are called as the first one, which is maximum in number, that is called as the fibroblast. That is called as the fibroblast. And after that is after the fibroblast, the second category is called as the histocytes, or that is called as the macrophages. The macrophages. Clear? Then that is another, that is the cell is called as the mast cells, which secretes, that is three types of, that is the substances like serotonin, histamine, and that is called as the heparin. Clear? And the last, another one is lymphocytes or lymphoid tissue. Clear? Which produces the antibodies. Clear? So these are the four main cells, and besides that, other cells which are present, they are called as the mesenchyma cells, then that is the chromatophore cells, then plasma cells and fat cells are also present with minor, that is the functions, with minor or with least function. ताने अल्प function थिबो बा अल्प काम रही कि सेमाने अछंती. Then that is adipose tissue. The second category was the adipose tissue, which is a fatty tissue, which is nothing but the modifications of areolar tissue, where that is the areolar tissue is more or less rounded in shape and largest in size, containing that is the fat globules in its center, and the cytoplasm and the nucleus moves to the periphery or moves to the side, and it appears as the signature stage. Clear? And again, the adipose tissue is of two types. One is white or yellow, that is adipose tissue. Another is the brown adipose tissue. The brown adipose tissue and the yellow or white adipose tissue. In a white adipose tissue, that is the fat is deposited in one globules. So it is called as the monolocular. And here, in case of the brown adipose tissue, cells contains that is the fat bodies in several, that is the lobules. This is called as the multilocular. It is called as the multilocular. That is the multilocular one. Clear? And it contains the cytochrome, the iron pigment. That is the iron containing pigment called as the cytochrome. Here the cytochrome is absent. It produces 10 times more energy, but it produces less energy. Clear? And so this is all about the adipose. Then today I have to start from that is the dense connective tissue. So today I will finish the connective tissue proper. Clear? Then you come to the today's, that is the discussion which is about the dense connective tissue, which is about the dense connective tissue. So the dense, what is the meaning of dense connective tissue? In the dense connective tissue, here the matrix is less. The matrix is less, but the fibers and the fibroblast cells, the fibers and the fibroblast cells are packed very compactly. तामाने लागी कि रहिबे. It is present very compactly, माने चापी कि रहिबे. हला? So the matrix is less. Clear? And here that is the present in compact manner. and the fibers are in, that is the compact manner. Then after, it is divided into two parts. Again, it is divided into two parts, that is dense regular fibrous connective tissue and that is the dense irregular fibrous or connective tissue. So what is the meaning of, that is the dense regular, that is the connective tissue, and dense, that is the irregular connective tissue? What is the difference? That is the dense regular connective tissue and that is the dense irregular connective tissue. What are the difference? Clear? So you see that is in case of the dense regular connective tissue, that is in case of the dense regular connective tissue, the fibroblasts, that is in case of the dense regular connective tissue, the fibers and that is the fibroblasts are arranged in, that is a parallel manner or in a row, that is in bundles and in a row, that is they are arranged in a systematic manner, they are arranged in a systematic or definite manner. So here these fibers, that is here the fibers and fibroblast cells are arranged in a systematic manner, but here that is the fibers and fibroblast cells are arranged in irregular manner, so it is called as the dense irregular connective tissue and it is called as the dense regular connective tissue. Are you understanding me or not? That is the dense regular connective tissue means, that is what is the dense connective tissue? In the dense, let me repeat again. In the dense connective tissue, the matrix is less, the fibers are more, and the fibers and the fiber producing cell called as the fibroblast are, that is arranged or are packed compactly, very compactly. तामान समान very tightly pack है कि रोई चंदी. So it is a dense fibrous connective tissue or a dense connective tissue. Clear? And it is of two types. One is dense regular fibrous connective tissue or dense, that is regular connective tissue. Another is the dense irregular connective tissue. So what is the regular and what is the irregular? So regular means here that is the fibers as well as the fibroblast cells are arranged in a systematic manner or in a, that is in a regular manner, or you can say that is in a parallel manner, in a, that is the present in a rows in a parallel manner, present in a row and in parallel manner. But here these, that is the fibers and fibroblast cells are arranged in, that is irregular pattern or it present in haphazardly here and there. Clear? So there is no systematic process in, that is which, that is the fibers and fibroblast cells are arranged. Clear? Again, the dense regular connective tissue is of two types. One is, that is the white fibrous, that is the white fibrous connective tissue, and another is the yellow fibrous connective tissue. That is white fibrous connective tissue and another is yellow fibrous connective tissue. Clear? So this name has been given depending upon the presence of the fibers. We know there are three types of fibers are present. One is white fibers, another is the yellow fibers, another is the reticular fibers. The white fibers are made by the protein called as the collagen and which are inelastic in nature. They are rigid in nature. Clear? And in case of the yellow fiber, they are elastic in nature, and they are made by a protein called as the elastin. So they are stretchable in nature. They are stretchable in nature like the elastic, clear? And you see here, that is the white fibrous tissue. In case of the white fibrous connective tissue, the white fibers are arranged in bundle manners, and these bundles are called as the fascia. These bundles are called as the fascia, clear? These bundles are called as the fascia. The white fibers are arranged in, that is, compact and bundle manner, clear? The bundle manner like this. These are the white fibers, and which are arranged in a, that is the compact manner, and these bundles are called as the fascia. So the white fibroblasts, the cells which produces the fibers, they are called as the fibroblast cells. Active cells are called fibroblasts, and inactive cells are called as the fibrocyte. So these cells are arranged in a row in between, that is the interfibrillar space. This is fiber and this is fiber, so this space is called as the interfibrillar space. So here the fibers are mostly, that is the white fibers, and they are white in color, and that they are made up of, you know, the white fibers are made up of the collagen fibers. They are non-elastic, rigid one, and they forms the bundle, or they are arranged in bundle manner, and each bundle are called as, the bundles are called as the fascia. Bundles are called as the fascia, where the fibers, the fibroblast cells are arranged in rows, and the rows in between, that is they're in between the bundles or in the interfibrillar space, clear? But these fibers, these white, that is the dense white fibrous tissue, are of two types, depending upon their arrangement of the fibers. Depending upon the arrangement of the fibers, they are of two types. One is the cord, another is the sheet. That is, one is cord, another is the sheet. The cord means when the fibers are arranged in bundle, and that is the parallel manner to forms a rigid cord like structure or a filament like structure. Cord or filament, the cord or filament like structure, it is called as the cord. And it is otherwise the cord which is formed by the white fibrous connective tissue, it is otherwise called as the tendon. It is otherwise called as the tendon. The tendon helps to attach the, that is the, this is tendon and this is also tendon. The tendons helps to, that is the, attach the muscles with the bones and the cartilage. So this is the tendon and this is the tendon, and here this, that is the belly of muscle. That is the belly of muscles. So that is the skeleton, that is the skeleton moves, or the skeletons move by the that is the contraction of the muscle, by the contraction of the muscle, clear? That is the white connective, that is the white fibrous connective tissue. White fibrous connective tissue टा दी प्रकारे, गोटे हला cord, गोटे हला sheets, गोटे हला cord आ गोटे हला sheets. That is, cord means दौड़ी भलिया हला, जदि एमाने गोटे दौड़ी भलिया स्ट्रक्चर है कि रहिबे, and that is called as the tendon. White fibrous दौड़ी भलिया स्ट्रक्चर है tendon, and it is rigid. एटा elastic नुहे, एटा rigid. कहीं it is white collagen fiber is made by the white fibers are made by the collagen protein. The collagen protein is non-elastic. क्लियर? जदि से माने दौड़ी भलिया है कि रहिबे, ताने से गुडा को आजिबो टेंडन. टेंडन कोन करिवो ना, टेंडन टा मसल को, दिस इज द मसल, एई मसल टा होची की मसल ना, स्ट्राइएटेड मसल बा एटा को कहंती, दैट इज द स्केलेटल मसल, जोटा स्केलेटन सहित अटैच हेची, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज द स्केलेटल मसल. आई विल, दैट इज द टीच यू अबाउट द मसल, दैट इज आफ्टर 2 to 3 क्लासेस, क्लियर? डिटेल ऐसे मसल गुडा को, एई जो मसल गुडा को, एई मसल गुडा को एपटे गुटे लागि लगी एपटे गोटे लगी जोटा लगी बोन सहित दिस इज कॉल्ड एज द टेंडन ए कॉर्ड लाइक स्ट्रक्चर लगी टेंडन टेंडनटा कंट्राक्शन रिलैक्सेशन हम ना जो मसलटा कंट्राक्ट हम से ये बोनटा को से टाणी आनिबो है तो so this tendon is a cord like structure non elastic cord like structure which is made by the white that is the fibrous connective tissue and helps to attach the striated muscle with or the skeletal muscle with the that is the skeleton like the bones or the cartilage. So it helps to the or it helps that is the in the movement of the that is the bones by the contraction of the muscle टा contract हबो एटा देखु जे muscle टा contract हला एटा टान टानी आउछि कारण muscle टा contractile in nature muscle टा जतले contract हबो ए जो दौड़ी टा लागिछि ये contract नुए तेनु आको से टान टानी का नबो clear. So the tendons then you come to the sheet माने here the fibers are arranged in criss-cross manner in one plane एटा एंती गोटे बंडल है कि रहिला एठी कोन हबो they are arranged in criss-cross manner in one plane clear एमती छंदी छदा कि तापर एमती पड़ी कि गुटिए प्लेन ले सब अरेंज है कि रहिबे अरेंज हले सेटा गोटे प्लेट लाइक स्ट्रक्चर बा फ्लैट प्लेट लाइक स्ट्रक्चर भलिया तयारी करिवो दैट इज कॉल्ड एज द sheet and this is that is present and this that is the sheet is present this sheet is present in the that is the membrane or it forms a membrane like structure it forms a plate like structure it is found in the pericardium of the heart pericardium माने हार्ट ऊपर गोटे मेम्ब्रेन अच्छी ताकू कहती पेरिकार्डियल मेम्ब्रेन सेमिति कार्टिलेज ऊपर गोटे मेम्ब्रेन अच्छी कार्टिलेज आम जो तरुणा अस्थि दैट इज द बोन दैट इज ता ऊपर जो अच्छी सेटा कहती पेरिकॉन्ड्रियम का ऊपर कार्टिलेज ऊपर सेमिति बोन ऊपर जोटा अच्छी ताकू कहती पेरिओस्टियम है आउ किए अच्छी ना डोरामेटर हूँ ब्रेन आउ स्पाइनाल कॉर्ड सुषुम्ना कांड आ मस्तिष्क ऊपर गोटे मेम्ब्रेन अच्छी ताकू कहती डोरामेटर यही सब स्ट्रक्चर गुड़ाक तैयारी करछि किए ना दैट इज द व्हाइट फाइब्रस कनेक्टिव टिश्यू इन द फॉर्म ऑफ शीट तामाने गोटे पतला पर्दा भलिया हेकी एटा कोन हेछि ना ता ऊपर जेमिति हमरा पटिया बुना हेइ थाए एमिति एमिति हेकी गोटे छंदी हेकी थिबो गोटे प्लेट रे गोटे प्लेन ले सेमिति गोटे एमिति एटा छंदी हेकी प्लेट ए जो फाइबर ओडा छंदी हेकी गोटे पतला आवरण हेछि एंड दैट इज द आवरण इज रिजिड इन नेचर हला आउ एटा काहा ऊपर अछि हार्ट ऊपर अछि बोन रो ऊपर अछि ताको कहंती पेरिओस्टियम हार्ट ऊपर रहले ताको कहंती पेरिकॉन्ड्रियम सेमिति कार्टिलेज ऊपर रखले ताको कहंती पेरी दैट इज कॉन्ड्रियन आउ बोन ऊपर रहले पेरिओस्टियम सेमिति हमर स्पाइनल कॉर्ड आउ ब्रेन ऊपर ब्रेन आउ सुषुम्ना कांड बा मस्तिष्क आउ सुषुम्ना कांड ऊपर गोटे लेयर अछि एटी तीनटा लेयर अछि डोरामेटर पियामेटर आराक्नॉइड से डोरामेटर जोटा स्कल तळे अछि सेटा को कहंती डोरामेटर ता तळटा होछि आराक्नॉइड ता सवाल तळुको होछि दैट इज द पियामेटर क्लियर तेणु से जो डोरामेटर तैयारी एंड डोरामेटर इज रिजिड वन एंड व्हिच इज मेड बाय दैट इज द शीट्स ऑफ द व्हाइट फाइब्रस टिश्यू क्लियर then you come to the that is the yellow fibrous connective tissue then you come to the yellow fibrous connective connective tissue kon na ta naru kohuchi it is yellow in color au yellow color that is yellow ame janiche this is a net like structure they are thick and branched in nature but here and it is made up of a protein called as the elastin so these are elastic in nature clear elastic बुझो जोटा टाणी देकी छाड़ी देले जतिके थिला सेतिके रे आसी पहुंची जीवो elastic हला तो सेमती एटी कोन हेछि that is the yellow elastic or yellow elastic connective tissue here the yellow fibers are more in number and that is white fibers are very less they are arranged in a compact manner they are arranged in a rows with that is a compact manner but here the fibroblast cells are that is arranged in that is not in a row but in a that is haphazard way and the fibroblast cells that is here the fibroblast cells are arranged, that is the irregular way or in scattered manner. Irregular way or scattered manner here they are. Clear? Then after, this type of tissue, like the white fibrous, that is white fibrous connective tissue, it has also two forms. One is the cord, another is the sheaths. And here, that is the cord which is formed by the yellow fibrous tissue. It is certainly, it is elastic in nature, and it is called as the ligament. It is called as ligament. And this ligament helps to bind or helps to bind the bones at the, that is the joints, at the joints, and allow them for considerable stretching or considerable movement. बुझे ना नहीं, ये जो जॉइंट गुड़ारे जो लगी से कहती लिगामेंट. ये जॉइंट ये जो बोन दीटा अच्छे से बोन मझे एपट बोन सेपट बोन को लगे रखी, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज द लिगामेंट. एंड द लिगामेंट इज मेड अप बाय दैट इज व्हाइट फाइब्रस connective tissue in the form of cord, and these cords are called as the ligament, and which helps to attach the bones at the point or at the joint, and allows for the considerable, allowed them for considerable movement. ए हाथटा एमती मुव कर एमती मुव ये जॉइंट रे कौन है ये लिगामेंट अच्छे, एपटे भी लिगामेंट अच्छे है. जिते बेसिका लिगामेंटा स्ट्रेच हो कहते स्प्रेन हो गला, ताने डिस्लोकेशन हेनी जॉइंट, किंतु एमती गोटे जगह मुड़ीज गोड़टा कि हाथटा मुड़ीज से लिगामेंट गुड़ा बेसिका स्ट्रेच हो गले से बहुत दिन बिंधिब आ बहुत दिन ताने कष्ट दब, एंड दैट इज कॉल्ड एज द स्प्रेन. दैट इज कॉल्ड एज स्प्रेन. दैट इज स्प्रेन. फुलबनी कि करनी कारण ये डिस्लोकेशन है जॉइंट अच्छी ठीक जगह, किंतु जी मुड़ा कथा बेसिका मुड़ीगला, एमती गुड़ गुड़ गोटे जगह पड़गला गात खाल कौन है एमती बेसिका मुड़ीगला, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज द स्प्रेन. क्लियर? सो एंड अनदर इज कॉल्ड एज द सीट्स. कौटी सीट अच्छी ना जो जगह स्ट्रेचेबल हो, जो जगह गुड़ाक स्ट्रेचेबल हो कौटे हो. सिमिलरली दैट इज द येलो फाइब्रस कनेक्टिव टिश्यू, that is the sheaths of the yellow fibrous connective tissue are present in the, that is the inner layer of the urinary bladder and the bronchus, the lungs. Clear? The bronchus and the lungs, and that is the vocal cords, true vocal cords, which is stretchable in nature. By the vibration of the vocal cords, the sound is produced, and that is the sound, that is the sound can be, that is high or as well as the off by the stretching of the vocal cords. That the vocal cords टाको आमे साउंड टाको बेसी जोर करि परिबा, कम करि परिबा, कारण से अनुसार ए vocal cord टाको स्ट्रेच करिबा हला. So that is this, that is the sheaths are present in, that is the region where there is, that is the need of stretching, whereas there is need of stretching. जो स्ट्रेच होची सही जगह एगुड़ा रही, यूरिनरी ब्लडर इनर वाल रे रहिबो, ब्रोंकस रे रहिबो हला, आउ कोड रहिबो ना लंग्स रे रहिबो, आउ कोड रहिबो वाल ऑफ आर्टरीज रे रहिबो, आर्टरीज हला, आउ दैट इज इन केस ऑफ द ट्रू वोकल कॉर्ड ए जगह रे सब ए गुडा का सीट गुडा बा ए सब मेम्ब्रेन गुडा रहिबो. सीट को सीट ना येलो फाइब्रस, दैट इज कनेक्टिव टिश्यू रो सीटा सेट रहिले सेटा स्ट्रेचेबल हबो हला. देन यू कम टू द dense irregular connective tissue. This is all about the dense regular connective tissue. Under the dense regular connective tissue, it is of two types: white fibrous connective tissue, yellow fibrous connective tissue. White fibrous connective tissue, that is a rigid one, but it is elastic one, and it appears in a two form, and it also appears in a two form. It appears the cord and the ligament, that is the cord and sheath, and here it is also, that is cord in sheath. Here this cord is called as the tendon, here this cord is called as the ligament. It helps to attach the striated muscle with the bones or the cartilage, but here that is it attaches between the bones at the joint. Clear? And the sheets are present here, that is it forms the or the white fibrous connective tissue, that is the sheets are present in the, that is the covering of the heart, covering of the, that is the brain and spinal cord. Besides, that is another thing is that when the white fibrous connective tissue are more in, that is the skin of large mammals. Jodi ei white fibrous connective tissue dako boda boda mammal manakre dharo gai guru hela emankar eudaka besi dekha jibo tane se chamada ru ame kon paiba na sei tar jo upra skin ru ame paiba leather after tanning. Taman taku ame chemical treat kala pore seitu ame kon paiba na leather, seita tan leather paiba jahar jete sheath ta jete muta hai ki thibo tan sei anusara ame leather paiba hala. So then you come to the dense irregular connective tissue. Dense irregular connective tissue. Dense irregular connective tissue, where I have told you here, that is the fibers as well as the, that is the fibroblast cells are arranged in irregular manner, or in the scattered manner, and it is found mainly, that is the covering of different organs. That is the example is the skin of the man. Ama skin le seta dekha jaye hala. Tapare asiba last, that is the specialized connective tissue. This is all about the dense connective tissue. Then you come to the specialized connective tissue. Clear? The specialized connective tissue. In the specialized connective tissue, here you come to the special connective tissue. The special connective tissue is of, that is the 4 types. Clear? First you come to the pigmented, 3 types. Pigmented, that is the connective tissue. Pigmented connective tissue. Another one is called as reticular connective tissue. Reticular connective tissue. And another is called as the mucous or mucoid connective tissue, or mucoid connective tissue. So there are mainly 3 types of the special connective tissue are present. One is that is the pigmented connective tissue, another is the reticular connective tissue, and another is the mucoid connective tissue. In the pigmented connective tissue, actually, that is, it is a modified areolar connective tissue. It is also a modified areolar connective tissue, where the matrix contains, large irregular, that is the cells, and which contains, that is the melanin pigments, which contains the melanin pigment granules. Clear? And these melanin pigment granules, so these cells are called as the chromatophore cells. These are called as the chromatophore cells, or you can say that melanophore cells. Chromatophore cell or the melanophore cells. Here, that is the matrix contains a large number, that is a numerous large irregular or star-shaped, that is the cells, which contains the melanin pigment, and these cells are called as the melanophore, or that is called as the chromatophore. These are called as the melanophore or that is chromatophore. This is melanin. These pigments are called as melanin, and these pigments may be yellow, brown, or that is yellow, brown, or black, or that is blue in color. Clear? It gives the definite color to a structure. It gives definite color to a structure. Eta gote definite color daba gote organ ku. And actually the that is the chromatophore cells contains the melanin pigment, but actually the melanin is synthesized or melanins are synthesized from another type of cell called as that is the chromatocyte or melanocyte, that is called as the melanocyte, that is called as the melanocyte. Melanocyte actually produces or synthesizes the melanins, but the melanophore cells, that is, or the melanophore cells receives the melanin by, that is, phagocytosis from the melanocyte. ताने melanocyte की melanophore cell गुड़ाक खाई दौरान खाईदेले ता भितरे मेलानिन पिगमेंट गुड़ाक रही जाउची का भितरे ना melanophore cell भितरे. But actually the melanophore cells are the cells which contains the melanin, which stores the melanin, but they are not synthesized inside the melanophores. They are synthesized inside the melanocyte, and the melanophore receives the melanin from the melanocyte by the phagocytosis or through the phagocytosis. Clear? Then another thing is that the dispersion of the melanin, dispersions माने विच्छुरित होइकी रहिबा, ताने एटा सेल एटा हला न्यूक्लियस, ता भितरे एटा चारियाडे एमति खेलेकी रहिबो किंबा गुटे जगार एटा कन्संट्रेटेड होइकी रहिबो, गुटे जगार गुच्छ होइकी रहिबो. तेनु इट डिपेंड्स अपॉन, समटाइम्स इट डिपेंड्स अपॉन, दैट इज द लाइट एंड मॉइस्चर, लाइट एंड मॉइस्चर. Clear? So the animal changes their color, that is by which, that is, the animal changes their skin color, and which is protective in their in function, which is protective in function. Suppose बेंग को ए जो बहुरूपी देखिथिबो हला, बहुरूपी के गोटे साप धर गुड़ेइछि, तेणु से कौन करे तार कलर ताकू चेंज करे. केमिति चेंज करिवो ना, जेतबेले से जो डाल रहिबो से डाल कलर होइजिवो, पत्र रहिले पत्र कलर होइजिवो. सेति पई से कौन करिवो ना ये मेलानिन सब कलर को चेंज करिवो, ता माने डिस्पर्शन हबो, ता माने विच्छुरित अवस्था रे रहिबो हला. सो दैट इज द डिस्पर्शन, समवेयर द डिस्पर्सल ऑफ द पिगमेंट ग्रान्युल्स in the cytoplasm depends upon, that is, the light and moisture, by which some animal can change their body color or skin color, and which is protective, which use as a protective in, or which act as a protective device. Clear? Then after the tissue or that is this chromatophore or this type of tissue prevents the internal organs from the injurious effect of the sunlight. तमें जानिथिबो जे ए जो गुड़ाक पिगमेंट अधिका थाए, जो बॉडी उपरे पिगमेंट अधिका थाए, तार उपरे पिगमेंट अधिका रहिले ए जो सन रे विभिन्न प्रकार खराब रे अछि हला, विभिन्न प्रकार सन रे विभिन्न प्रकार, दैट इज दी रेडिएशन, खराब रेडिएशन अच्छे जोटा बॉडी पाई हार्मफुल. तेणु कला जो माने कला लोक तांकर स्किन कैंसर हुए ना बुझे बा तांकर इंटरनल ऑर्गन गुड़ाक सेफ होइकी रहिबो भल भाव रे, कारण इट प्रोटेक्ट्स द इंटरनल ऑर्गन ऑफ द बॉडी फ्रॉम द injurious effect of the sunlight. Clear? So this is all about the pigmented, that is the connective tissue. Then you come to the reticular connective tissue. What is the reticular connective tissue? Its name, here the reticulum is present. Here the reticulum is present, that means here the matrix is somewhat, that is the, here the matrix is somewhat, that is fluid in nature, that is, it is called as the lymph, it is called as the lymph, and which lymph contains many star-shaped cell, and this star-shaped cell having, that is the extension protoplasmic process, and it is called as the reticular fibers, that is, it is called as the reticular fibers. These are called as the reticular fibers, and these reticular fibers, that is, they connect to each other and forms a net-like structure, गोटे जाल भाया यहाँ तैयारी कर, जाल भाया तैयारी कले एगुड़ाक सबू इंटरनाल केते गुड़ाक इंटरनाल ऑर्गन स्ट्रोमा ऑफ स्प्लीन है एगुड़ा केते गुड़ाक आउ लिवर यही सब ऑर्गन रही टू एज एंड बिहेव्स एज ए पैकिंग मटेरियल एंड बिहेव्स एज ए पैकिंग मटेरियल ता छड़ा आउ कौन करिवो ना ए जो फाइबर गुड़ाक कौन ना दिस आर वेरी थिन दिस इज रेटिकुलर फाइबर्स दे आर वेरी थिन branched and made by a protein called as the reticulin but they are white in color and rigid in nature. Clear? And these are found in that is the lymphoid or glands and lymphoid organs, liver, spleen, etc. Clear? Moreover, that is it also act as a defensive organ. That means the reticular cells have that is the capacity or it can phagocyte or it can engulf the foreign particles or the germ by the phagocytosis so it has the that is defensive in mechanisms. Clear? Then another thing, and so it also behaves as a packing tissue for that is the forming of the different organs by connecting other that is the tissue. Clear? Then you come to the mucoid connective tissue or mucous connective tissue. This is the last one. So with this I will finish the class today, and in the next class I will start another thing that is called as the cartilage or the bones, etc., the skeletal connective tissue. So first of all you come to the mucoid connective tissue. Mucoid connective tissue, mucus or mucoid connective tissue, that means here that is the matrix is jelly like. Here the matrix is jelly like, that is the matrix is jelly like slippery mucopolysaccharides called Wharton's jelly. Clear? And in which delicate that is the delicate collagen fibers are present, that is in which that is very fine that is white fibers, delicate means sukma, very fine that is the fibers are present, white fibers are present with that is with the fibrocyte cell. Clear? It occurs in the that is vitreous fluid of the eye. आखि देखिछ, आखिर जदि आमे आखि की फटई दबा ता भितरे देखिथिबो आखि जतले छेली फेली मरा होथबो तम गाँ रे सेतबले देखिबो ता आखिटा को आनिबो, ता आखि डोलाटा आनिकी ताकू एमती फटईबो हला, ताकू एमती फटईबो देखिबो ता भितर गोटे जेली भलिया स्ट्रक्चर बाहरिबो, पूरा भलिया स्ट्रक्चर बाहरिबो, एंड दैट इज कॉल्ड एज द vitreous fluid of the that is called as the vitreous that is the body of the eye, that is called as the vitreous माने बहुत भलिया सेटा पूरा जेली भलिया बहुत भलिया बाहरिबो, that is it is made by this tissue, mucus or mucoid tissue. Clear? Then आउ कईट रहिबो ना अम्बेलिकल कॉर्ड, माँ जतले छुआटा जतले जन्म होची माँ सहित छुआर गोटे कनेक्शन थाए ताकू कहती अम्बेलिकल कॉर्ड, ताकू कहती अम्बेलिकल कॉर्ड. ऐसे अम्बेलिकल कॉर्डटा प्रथमे एई टिश्यू रे ही तयारी हुए एबा एई टिश्यू द्वारा ही अम्बेलिकल कॉर्डटा तयारी होई थाए. तेणु एटा को भी कहती एई टिश्यूटा को कहती म्यूकॉइड बा म्यूकस कनेक्टिव टिश्यूटा को भी कहती कौन ना एम्ब्रियोनिक कनेक्टिव टिश्यू, एम्ब्रियोनिक कनेक्टिव टिश्यू एज बिकॉज इट इज ऑल्सो फाउंड इन एम्ब्रियोनिक स्टेज है अम्बेलिकल कॉर्ड रे. आउ कोटी कुकुड़ार देखिथिबो कॉम्ब ऑफ दी दैट इज द कक, कुकुड़ार ए जो मुंड एटा ए मुंड ऊपर एमती गोटे फूल थिबो, दिस इज कॉम्ब एटा जो फूल थिबो दिस इज कॉम्ब, ए कॉम्बटा भी सेथिरे तयारी हला. सो दिस इज that is the mucoid or mucous connective tissue. Prabhakaru, Devendra, that is this is called as the mucus or the mucoid connective tissue. So with this I that is finish the today's class, and in the next class I will start that is from that is the skeletal connective tissue, that is the cartilage and bones. Clear? So you try to that is understand very clearly, because this tissue comes in your further study. That is, if you not understand these things clearly, then you cannot follow that is the further subject, the further topics you cannot follow that is clearly. So try to understand these things and try to read vividly. With this, that is, today's class is finished. Clear?